Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Idea brushless motor drone, and on the right, we have the Drocon drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. So buckle up because things are about to get up in the air. First up, let's talk about cameras. The Idea drone flaunts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a mini Spielberg up there, capturing Ultra HD photos and videos. Plus, it has a 90 degrees field of view, so you can capture everything from your backyard barbecue to your neighbor's weird lawn gnome collection. Reviewers appreciate the high camera resolution and quality, although some mention minor issues like scratches on the lens. On the other hand, the Drocon drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. Sure, it's not 4K, but it's still good enough to catch your dog doing backflips or your cat plotting world domination. Plus, you can manually adjust the camera by 90 degrees. Users find the camera adequate for general use, even if it's not the best in terms of image quality. Next, let's talk flight time. The Idea drone offers a total of 20 minutes of flight time with its dual 1,200 mAh batteries. That's enough time to get some epic shots and still have enough juice to impress your friends. However, some users find the battery life to be short and the drone difficult to control. Meanwhile, the Drocon drone boasts a whopping 24 minutes of flight time. That's 4 extra minutes to make your neighbors wonder if you finally lost it or if you're just really into aerial photography. Either way, more time in the air means more fun. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery included, allowing for continuous use. Now, for all you crash test dummies out there, let's discuss obstacle avoidance. The Idea drone has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance with laser scanning. It's like having a Jedi on board, sensing all obstacles and avoiding them. Perfect for beginners and those who have a knack for flying into trees. However, some users reported malfunctioning obstacle avoidance. The Drocon drone, on the other hand, comes with propeller guards. It's like putting training wheels on a bike. Sure, it's safe, but it doesn't scream professional pilot. So if you're prone to bumping into things, Drocon's got you somewhat covered. Reviewers appreciate the added safety of the blade protectors. Alright, let's talk money. The Idea drone is priced at $89. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner date that ends with you crying over the bill. Users generally find it to be good value for money despite some quality control issues. The Drocon drone, however, comes in at $109. A bit pricier, but hey, maybe it's because it comes with a suitcase. So if you're into paying more for extra baggage, Drocon's your guy. Reviewers consider it worth the price, especially for the extra accessories included. Speaking of baggage, let's talk portability. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. The Idea is compact and ready to go wherever your adventures take you. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers find it easy to set up and use. Meanwhile, the Drocon drone also folds up nicely and comes with a suitcase. It's like the fancy luggage your rich aunt has. Practical, but also makes you feel a bit bougie. Users appreciate the solid build and the convenience of the carrying case. Overall, the Idea brushless motor drone is praised for its advanced features, stability, and value for money. Although some users have faced issues with quality control and customer service. The Drocon drone, while not as advanced in terms of camera quality and obstacle avoidance, is appreciated for its longer flight time, ease of use, and solid build, making it a reliable choice for casual users. So there you have it, folks. The Idea brushless motor drone and the Drocon drone go head-to-head. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, feature-packed drone with top-notch obstacle avoidance and a killer camera, Li Idea might just be your new best friend. But if you need that extra flight time and don't mind shelling out a bit more cash, Drocon is your go-to. Remember, smart shoppers, it's not just about buying, it's about buying smart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic product battles. See you next time, and may your skies be clear and your landings smooth. Product links are in the description.